Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Let's start today's lesson, and before that we will discuss about the date and the day. What's the day today? Who will tell me? Yes, Kashaf, what's the date today? Today is 16th of January 2026. Today is 16th of January 2026. हाँ जी, उर्दू में कैसे कहते हैं? उर्दू में क्या तारीख है आज? कौन बताएगा? जी शामिर, क्या तारीख है आज? 16 जनवरी 2026 ईस्वी। शाबाश, 16 जनवरी 2026 ईस्वी। वेल डन। आज क्या दिन है? जी इब्रार, आज क्या दिन है? Friday. Well done. Today is Friday, and in Urdu we say Juma, and in Arabic we say Yomul Juma. Well done, everyone. Okay, how's the weather outside? Look outside, everyone, and see how's the weather. Weather outside is cold and it's cloudy. You can see clouds. I've drawn clouds on the board. The weather is cloudy and it's foggy. It's very cold outside. Okay class, let's start today's lesson, but before that we will have a recap from the previous lesson. Get ready. Okay class, let's start the recap. The recap is from the page number 132, and today what we will do, they have given us time and we will draw the hands on the clock to show the given time. Okay, first of all, the question number 1 is telling us it's 4 o'clock. Yes, who will tell me on which digit will be the short hand and on which digit will be the long hand? Yes, raise your hand. Yes, Sarah, on which digit should I draw the short hand, and on which digit I will draw the long hand? Yes, well done. The short hand will be pointing towards the digit 4, and the long hand will be on the 12. Okay, so in this way this clock is now showing us that it's 4 o'clock. Okay, the next clock they have given us, and they have given us that it's 9 o'clock. What we have to do, we have to draw the 9 o'clock. Yes, Kamran. Yes, the short hand will be on the digit 9. Well done. And the long hand will be on the digit 1. Well done. No, it will be on the digit 12. Well done. Okay, now it's your turn, Khurram. What time they are telling us? 2 o'clock. Well done. So from this digit 2, it's obvious that the short hand is on the digit 2 and the long hand will be towards the digit 12. Well done, Khurram. Yes, Ishal. This is question D, and they are telling us that the time is 11 o'clock. What is the time? 11 o'clock. So this 11 tells us that the short hand will be towards the digit 11. Okay, and the long hand will be towards the digit 12. So now this clock is showing us that it's 11 o'clock. Well done, Ishal. Yes, Huram. Which time is given to us to draw it in the clock? It's 5 o'clock. Well done. So from the 5, it's obvious that the shorthand will point towards 5 and the long hand will be toward 12. Okay class? So it is obvious that the shorthand will be on 5 and o'clock. This term shows us that the long hand will be toward the digit 12. Here is F part and they are telling us 3 o'clock. Guess Daud. On which digit should be the shorthand? The shorthand will point towards the digit 3 and the long hand will be towards the digit 12. So this is now 3 o'clock. Okay class, this is the G part and you can see they have given us 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, what will we do? The shorthand will point toward the digit 10 and the long hand will point toward the digit 12. So in this way, we will complete the G part and we will show that if the shorthand will be on 10 and the long hand will be on 12, it gives us 10 o'clock. Okay class, now we will move to the main activity. So let's start. Okay class, open page number 134 and here you can see like they have given us an activity which is about yesterday and tomorrow. Okay, who will tell me the meaning of the word yesterday? What is the meaning of the word yesterday? Yesterday क्या होता है? Yesterday is the day which is gone or which is past. अगर आपका दिन गुजर गया है, जो पिछला दिन है, तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? उसको हम कहते हैं yesterday. And what is the meaning of the word morning? Morning is सुबह. Well done. So they have given us an activity in which what were you doing yesterday morning at? They have given us times and they are asking us that what were you doing yesterday morning at these times. ठीक है? First of all, they have given us the time 6 o'clock and they have told us like you would be sleeping at 6 o'clock. Some students would be praying. कुछ जो है वो नमाज पढ़ रहे होते हैं. ठीक है? So we have different sleeping and waking times. Okay class, the A part is 6 o'clock and they themselves told us like it's the sleeping time. Now it's B. The B part of the question tells us like it's 7 o'clock. इस टाइम हमारे पास क्या वक्त हो रहा है? जी तैमूर, क्या वक्त हो रहा है इस वक्त? जी 7 बज रहे हैं. शाबाश. तो आपने क्या बताना है कि आप 7 बजे के वक्त क्या कर रहे होते हैं? आप जाग रहे होते हैं 7 बजे के वक्त. आप जो है फ्रेशन अप हो रहे होते हैं. अपना ब्रेकफास्ट आपका रेडी हो रहा होता है. आप ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे होते हैं. जो भी कर रहे होते हैं, यू हैव टू राइट इट और यू हैव टू you can say like you have to write it in the block given below. ठीक है? और उसके बाद यहाँ पे कौन सा टाइम बताया है? अहमद, आप मुझे बताएं यहाँ पे कौन सा टाइम मेंशन किया गया है? यहाँ पर 8 बजे का वक्त मेंशन किया गया है. तो 8 बजे यहाँ पे हम क्या कहेंगे कि 8 बजे आपने बताना है कि 8 बजे के वक्त आप कल के दिन यानी कि जो दिन गुजर चुका है वो आप क्या उस टाइम पर 8 बजे आप क्या कर रहे थे. ठीक है? ओके क्लास, अब यहाँ पर भी इसी तरीके से है. आपका 9 बजे का वक्त उन्होंने बताया है यहाँ पे कि 9 बजे के वक्त में डी पार्ट में उन्होंने पूछा है कि 9 बजे के वक्त में आप जो कल गुजर चुका था उस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे थे? व्हाट वर यू डूइंग एट 9 o'clock? ओके, here is the same case with the 10 o'clock, and you will write the activity you were doing at 10 o'clock. ठीक है, इसी तरीके से पार्ट एफ में you will write whatsoever you were doing at 11 o'clock yesterday. जो आप काम 11 बजे कल कर रहे थे वो आप इस वाले ब्लॉक में या इस वाले ब्लैंक स्पेस में लिख देंगे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं अपने बारे में कहूँ तो आई विल से that I was praying at 6 o'clock. In the B part, I will say like I took my breakfast, I got ready, then I left for the school, I made video lesson, and then I had my lunch at 11 o'clock. Okay, so these would be my activities. I can write them according to the time. And the sixth question, what were they asking us? Tomorrow afternoon and evening. Now they were talking about morning. Yes class, we now will talk about tomorrow afternoon and evening. What is the meaning of the word tomorrow? The day which is coming. Well done. Afternoon, दोपहर यानी 12 बजे के बाद का जो वक्त होगा वो क्या होगा? आफ्टरनून होगा. एंड इवनिंग क्या होती है? शाम का वक्त. ठीक है, सो यू विल नाउ टॉक अबाउट आफ्टरनून एंड इवनिंग, द टाइम विच इज़ अबाउट टू कम. यस क्लास, what have they given us? In the A part, 2 o'clock. Now we are predicting that at 2 o'clock what will we be doing? Okay, so at 2 o'clock we will be studying. Okay, in the B part it's 5 o'clock, so you will write according to your plan, like आप अगले दिन 5 बजे क्या कर रहे होंगे. So you could be playing, you could be eating, munching your snacks, or you would be sleeping. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं वो दोपहर में सोते भी हैं, शाम में सोते भी हैं, but this is the time of Maghrib, so I think you would be getting ready for prayer. इसके अलावा फिर आपका सी पार्ट आ जाता है. सी पार्ट में what they have given us, 6 o'clock you must be watching some drama, you must be watching cartoons or playing games on the phone. So here are different times, and you have to predict that what will you be doing tomorrow afternoon and evening. So 9 o'clock some students may be sleeping, or some students would be planning to go outside to have a walk, or maybe anything that is coming to your mind, or you may be writing something in your notebook, or preparing your test. So class, in this way you will plan about your yesterday morning and your tomorrow afternoon and evening, and you will complete this page on your own. Okay class, this is the activity that you will do, and come to the next page, which is page number 135. Page number 135, and what are they telling us? Half past the hour. Half past the hour, what is the meaning of the word half? Half means आधा, शाबाश. Past, गुजर गया. Okay, the hour means घंटा. जो हमारा एक घंटा था उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं कि हाफ पास द आवर, यानी कि आधा घंटा गुजर गया. ठीक है, ओके क्लास, लुक एट दिस क्लॉक. दे हैव गिवन अस अ क्लॉक, एंड यू कैन सी दिस ऑन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 135. एंड व्हाट आर दे टेलिंग अस? द मिनट हैंड इज नो लॉन्गर पॉइंटिंग टू 12. अब ये क्या कर रही है? आपकी जो लॉन्ग जो हैंड है, इट्स नॉट पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड्स द डिजिट 12, कि अब 12 की तरफ पॉइंट नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है, किसकी तरफ पॉइंट कर रही है? ये 6 की तरफ पॉइंट कर रही है. इट हैज़ मूव्ड हाफ वे राउंड द क्लॉक टू 6. अब आपको पता है कि जब आप 12 का हाफ करते हैं, या आप इस तरीके से ही देख लें कि दिस विल बी द हाफ ऑफ द क्लॉक. ठीक है, तो हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स विल कम इन वन हाफ? आपका जो एक हाफ बन रहा है उसमें आपके डिजिट्स कितने बन रहे हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 आपके डिजिट्स बन रहे हैं. ओके, और इसी तरीके से जब सेकेंड हाफ की आप बात करते हैं तो सेकेंड हाफ में आपके पास आते हैं 7 8 9 10 11 एंड 12. सो क्या बताने का मकसद है कि आपका जो हाफ टाइम है, आपके जो एक जिसे कहते हैं 1 घंटे का जो हाफ टाइम है, वो आपका 6 बजे तक पास हो गया. ठीक है. इट हैज़ मूव 30 स्पेसिस. 30 स्पेसिस क्या, कैसे हमें पता चलेगा कि इट हैज़ मूव 30 स्पेसिस? व्हेन विल रीड द टेबल ऑफ 5 एंड आप उसको 5 के टेबल को आप पढ़ते जाएंगे एंड यू विल रीच एट 6. जैसे 5 1s आर 5, 5 2s आर 10, 5 3s आर 15, 5 4s आर 20, 5 5s आर 25 एंड 5 6 आर 30. सो इट हैज़ मूव 30 स्पेसिस. आपको पता चल जाएगा कि इसने 30 जो है वो स्पेसिस को पार कर लिया. इट हैज़ 4 हैंड्स. इट हैज़ द आवर हैंड हैज़ ऑल्सो मूव्ड. अब आपका जो आवर हैंड है वो भी देखिए 3 के ऊपर, प्योरली आपको 3 के ऊपर नहीं मिल रहा, बट इट इज़ इन बिटवीन 3 और 4 बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ द आवर इज़ बीन गॉन एंड हाफ इज़ लेफ्ट. ओके क्लास, the hour hand has also moved. It is now halfway between 3 and 4. As I've told you that it is halfway between 3 or 4 because half of the time is being passed. The time on this clock is 3:30. अब क्या टाइम बता रहा है वो? पहले हम लोग एक टर्म यूज़ कर रहे थे, that was o'clock. O'clock is the time when you have your long hand towards 12 and the short hand will be telling us the hour. So in this the time is on the clock is 3:30. So the third hour of the day is now half past. यानी कि आपका आधा जो घंटा, तीसरा घंटा है वो आधा गुजर चुका है. 3:30 is short for half an hour past 3 o'clock. यानी कि यू कैन से दैट जो आपका 3:30 है वो आधा घंटा कम है 3 o'clock से. ऐसे ही है ना, या ज़्यादा है 3 o'clock से? 3:30 इज़ शॉर्ट फॉर हाफ एन आवर पास 3 o'clock. है तो वैसे ही ज़्यादा, यानी कि अगर आप 3:30 की बात करते हैं तो 3 से ये आधा घंटा ज़्यादा है. लेकिन ये इस तरीके से कहा जाए कि पूरा घंटा था आपके पास 3 का, तो ये अब आगे क्या हो गया? ये आधा घंटा आगे बढ़ गया. ठीक है. ओके क्लास, दे हैव गिवन अस सम टाइम्स. व्हाट टाइम डज ईच क्लॉक शो? अब उन्होंने कहा है कि ये यहाँ पर आपको कुछ जो है टाइम्स दिए गए हैं एंड यू हैव टू राइट विच टाइम इज गिवन टू अस. पहला आपका ए पार्ट उन्होंने खुद बताया हुआ कि जी द शॉर्ट हैंड इज इन बिटवीन द 4 and 5. सो half past, the time is 4:30 because the long hand is on 6 and the short hand is in between 4 and 5. Same is the case with B part. They have given us a time. The short hand is in between 7 and 8 and the long hand is on 6. So what will we write? We write 7:30. 7:30. (7:30). Okay, now we will not use the term o'clock. Okay, here is the C part, and in the C part you can see the short hand is in between 10 and 11 and the long hand is on 6. So who will predict what time is it right now? Yes, Mas, what's the time? It's 10:30. Well done. It's 10:30. यानी कि 10 बजे का आधा घंटा जो था वो गुजर चुका है. 10:30. Okay, class. The next part is D, and you can see that the shorthand is in between 12 and 1. The long hand is still on 6, and what will we predict now? It is 1/2. Yes. Who will tell me? Ali? Yes, will you tell me? What should I write? 1/2, 12 or 1? Yes, it's in between 12 and 1, so we will say 12:30. 12:30. Okay class, here is the E part. G. Zunaira. What should I write? The shorthand is in between the 9 and 10, and the long hand is on 6. So, what should I write? 9:30 or 10:30? Half past 9. Well done, Zunaira. It's 9:30. Yes, Adan. Now it's your question. The F part is telling us that the shorthand is in between the 2 and 3, and the long hand is on the digit 6. So, it's 2:30. Yes, well done. Okay class, the rest of the questions which are left, like G, H and I, you will do these questions on your own, on your books, okay? There is no need to do these questions or to complete these questions on your notebook. What will you do? You will open your book, page number is 135, and you will complete question number G, H and I on your book. You will complete page number 134 and the questions of page number 135 which are left on your own. Okay class, that is all from the main activity. Let's note down your homework. Yes class, note down your homework. That is, you have to complete the question number 5 and 6 on page number 134, and the left 3 parts on page number 135, that is G, H and I. What will you do? You will write the date and day on the top of the page, and make sure your writing must be neat and clean, so it will be easy for me to check. This is all from today's lesson. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.